Hey, look who's awake. Look who's awake and home today. She says, where am I? Where am I? Who's that? Who's that? No comment. Who is it? Ah. Where's my handsome daddy? Yes, you have a handsome daddy. He's mowing the lawn. Oh. Oh. Little Gracie. Little Gracie girl. Then where in the world am I? First the womb, then the hospital, now this place. Where in the world is my nanny? Tell nanny. Oh, stink face. I'm making stink faces. Ooh. Tell nanny you love her. Give her smooches. All right. Call us, nanny. Call us.